one thing that he mentioned was the follow the path process. Ano ba yung ibig sabihin na follow the path? Most likely tatamaan at tatamaan mo. Kasi yun at yun ang nakikita mo. Okay guys, welcome back. Ano mapag-uusapan natin ngayon? So, there's another topic that catch my attention, which is the follow the path. Isa to sa diniscuss ni Simon Sinek. If you don't know who Simon Sinek is, one thing that he mentioned was the follow the path process. Ano ba yung ibig sabihin na follow the path? So, this is commonly used by skiers. Yung nag-ski. So, if it would be your first time to do ski, especially sa wooded area, normally what you would look at are the trees. Mababanggan para maiwasan mo. Ganun naman eh. Ganun naman normally. Sa pag nag-test drive ka, yung first time to take a test drive, pag nagpa-practice ka mag-drive, diba? Nakatuto ka dun sa obstacles kasi baka tama. What professional skiers do is they just follow the path ng snow. Yun lang yung tinitingnan nila. Doon sila nakatutok. Regardless kung may puno o wala, doon lang sila nakatingin sa path. What does this exercise do? This actually gives you a good thing to focus on. If you are too focused on looking at the obstacles, most likely makakabangga. Most likely tatamaan at tatamaan mo. Kasi yun at yun ang nakikita mo. Compared if you're just going to follow the path. The path is your path to success. The path is the things na mga tinuturo sa'yo. Sometimes kasi we tend to overcomplicate things by looking at the obstacles, by looking at the challenges, by looking at the failures that we may face if we do things. Kaya tayo hindi tumutuloy. At minsan, yun pa yung na-attract natin yung failure. Kasi yun at lagi natin iniisip. Same goes with solving problems. Lagi ka nakatutok sa problema. May bayaran na naman ako ng ito, may ganito na naman, ito na naman yung nangyayari, may blah blah, negative. At wala ka na magagawa. Okay? And it will just keep coming back to you negatively rather than focusing on the solution. Focus on the solution. Anong pwede mong gawin to resolve the problem? By then, okay, you can move forward. Okay? Rather than focusing on the problem itself, the next day problema pa rin naman. Nasayang yung buong araw mo na kaiisip ka sa problema, wala ka naman nagawang solusyon. Okay? So, pagtunan mo ng pansin yung solusyon. Kasi may problema ka sa pera. Okay? Problema ka sa pera ngayon. Okay? May mga bayarin ka. Pwede maghanap ka ng solusyon para magkaroon ka ng pera. Let's say, nakunood naman, may nangyaring masama sa iyo. Okay? May nangyaring masama. Okay? You're lonely right now. Okay? Be lonely. Okay? Faster. Sabi nga ni Sir MJ Lopez, Sir MJ Lopez, nasaktan ka, then cry faster. Okay. Iyak ka lang. Joke lang. Well, there are times na kailangan be there. Okay? Something happened to you, lonely ka, be lonely. Take the day off, be lonely. Okay? Pero huwag kang stay doon. Right? Your challenges are there all the time. Kaya hindi lang po ikaw nagkakaroon ng kaya ito natapos. The only difference between you and the other successful people is just the fact that they're focusing on the solution. They're taking the time for the solution. They're not wasting time on the problem. So, just follow the path, follow your path. Okay? Tutukan mo, not the obstacles. Ano lang ba talaga yung tututukan? Chismis ng kapitbahay mo? Okay? O yung solusyon sa problema mo. Ano lang, simple lang. Diba? Gusto mo yumaman? Ganap ka ng paraan para yumaman. Okay? Gusto mo magkapera? Gusto mo magka-negosyo? Tayo ka negosyo. Okay? Huwag mong gawin komplikado. Minsan kasi sa akin madalas nagkakaroon tayo ng analysis paralysis, which will be discussing in some other videos. Again guys, for now, yun lang. Very short and simple. Just follow the path. Don't focus on the obstacles. Find your solutions. Right? Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.